you guys. Miss Gail here, Georgia Peachnut Garden. I'm trying to see if we can get some sweet potatoes harvested because we're supposed to have some pretty nasty weather in a couple of days. So, how y'all doing? This is another sweet potato harvest, second one. And y'all have to bear in mind, all of my bags were floating. All these bags were floating because of the flood that we had when the creek crest. So I'm just trying to see what did the creek leave me over here. And I know it's late, but just gonna do this. I'm gonna ask for your prayers. My sister passed yesterday and it's been hard. It's been real hard. So I'm just trying to get out here and do something and get my mind off of. Thank you for your prayers and concern. So just come along with me on my journey with harvesting and death, and let's see if we can get some sweet potatoes out of here. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna put you back down and pray that this thing does not tumble over again. Let's see if I can move you. Uh-oh, y'all still there? Yeah, you are. Hold on, move you over just a little bit, and let's see if we can get something out of here. So I know I have some new subscribers. Ooh, look at there. We're going to take that off. And we're going to take this one off. Yay. And let's see what else do we have. Coming underneath here. So I think we're going to get enough for about, let's see, can I do 10 sweet potato pies? The other harvest was not that great because a lot of the sweet potatoes floated through. They floated through and came up out the pot. But I did get something, and that's all right. That's fine with me. We'll take what we can get. I'll take what I can get. It's one way down in there. Yeah, we're going to have a freeze coming through here. And so we're going to take all of these roots, pull them apart, see what we can pull out of here. See if we can get some fries. I'll take the sweet potato fries. I'm not greedy. This bag has been here maybe 3 going on 4 months, so didn't get a chance to do full growth because that thing right there is sticky because I planted it late, so that's my fault. Put this over here and let me cut that because it's going to tear my there you go, that takes care of that. Tear up my glove. Well, let's see, what do we have here? I think this was the original sweet potato because it's brown that I was getting the slips off of. You can take all these roots and put them in a container, and I do believe they will grow you some sweet potatoes next year if that's what you desire to do. Let's see what's in here. I'm just going through it, pulling it apart. Yeah, these were the original sweet potatoes that grew the slips. So we're not gonna eat those, of course not. But let's see if there's anything else deposited. That's one little one. Like I said, I'm not making excuses, but that flood really messed me up. But it's okay. It is okay. Just gonna see if there's anything else down in here. It was trying to make more sweet potatoes, but we don't have time. Lots of roots. So I can put something like some turnips and mustard down in here. Let's see, I don't know what this is. You have to be careful. Don't want to scratch them up. Okay. When the flood came, it immersed the containers into a lot of water, like 4 feet above it. And they stayed in water for a minute, and it caused a lot of my potatoes to rot as they were growing. So, you know, nature has its way. Nothing you can do about it. I'm sure something is here. I don't know what. I can't seem to get it up. Okay, it's another little one. We'll take the little ones. See if I can go and follow this root. It's very, very deep. And that was trying to make I think this is like the second round of ones that's coming. Roots all over the place. Whole little plant, it was trying to make some more sweet potatoes, and it just didn't have time. Uh-oh. I think I hit something over here. That's why you have to keep digging. Just can't give up. So I think that's going to take care of that. And I'll show you what we have. Okay. That's it. They went all the way to the bottom. The roots did. So next year, if the Lord's willing and the creek don't rise, and I mean that literally, if the creek doesn't rise, we'll do it again. We're going to take some of these slips that came off of here, and we're going to go for it again. But I did get something, and that's all that matters. So let's take a look. Making sure y'all can still see. It may not look like much, but it's good for me. So that's the sweet potatoes from this bucket right here, from this bag. So what we're gonna do is move this bucket over, and I'm going to try not to bump you guys as I pick this bucket up forward. I'm gonna go slow. Oops. Turn this upside down and pour this back in here. Because we're gonna use this again. Turnips, mustard, kale. We're gonna have some interesting weather for the next couple of days, and then it's gonna get warm again. So I have my mustard and turnip started on the inside already, and when they're ready to come outside, I'll bring them outdoors and go on ahead and plant those in these 2 bags. So let me move these back so I can move over. Okay, we're gonna check this other bag out, see what's going on here. Y'all wanna come with me? Come on. Come on. See how many minutes we got. 14 minutes. I'm gonna try to be real quick, but I notice every time I try to rush, my video cuts off. So let's move on over and try to be as careful as we possibly can. And I want you guys to see, this is the bag right here. So, I'm tired now. Let's just see what we have in here. If anything at all is in this bag. So here's a little tag along right here. Let me fix you down. There you go. Something just came up. So I'm going to put that right there. And these nice vines, I'm going to put them in some water and just grow some plants, and they'll be ready for next year. So let me see what we got. Whew, something was crawling on me. We don't want that. I don't take nobody in the house. Ugh. Same thing goes for this bag right here. Everything was planted late. So let's just see what we can pull up. Oh, got some potatoes. We're grateful. There you go. Oop, something's crawling in my sleeve. We don't want that. So I take any part of the potato that I can see that I can make some fries out of, because I like sweet potato fries. So this is a pretty interesting vine. Let's see if I can pull this up. Ugh. Ew. Can y'all see that? Make sure y'all can see. Yeah, we got some sweet potatoes coming up. Keep hope alive. That's all you have to do. So, we can get this up. We'll get the little strings off of that. Here's another one right here. Ugh. Whew. Dirt's in my mouth. Don't want dirt in my mouth. We got a lot of pretty vines. Roots. I can root those too. And be working on my sweet potatoes for next year. You guys hear about the recall on carrots. Okay? Don't sleep. Don't y'all be sleeping. Okay, let's see here. Oh, some more right here. Ugh. Okay, what is going on here? It's coming up a little bit at a time here. See if we can move it along a little bit better. It's a bunch of roots. Interesting roots. And bunches of potatoes underneath. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Look at that. Yeah, that's good. They was having a good time in there. All you have to do is have faith. Keep hope alive. Everything will be all right. Just keep trusting. Yes. Even them skinny ones make fries. Okay, let's see what else is hiding in here. Okay. Gotta put it apart, check it out. I like to get the strings off of it if I can. And these could have stayed in there another month, but I couldn't let them stay in there, that freeze. Ooh, something done got up in my lid. See if I can get that apart. Okay, I need to stop tearing them because it's breaking the tips. These eat too. A lot of people say, I don't like the little ones. Honey, I love them. I take them. I'm going to just cut this off. And see, this is something you can eat. All that's valuable. You have to open your little stuff up, grab them out, because they're hiding all in here. For me, that's valuable. I know some people just throw them away. So this is all roots. Put them over there. All these are roots. You go through all of them just like that. Just go through them. Okay, I see something peeping from over here. We got little baby ones. Let's just see if we got anything else before we call it quits. Okay, I think we've gotten them all. So I would have to come back through here with my auger. And this was a good one here. I can't get this thing to stay out of my way. Okay. So this is what we got on the third bag. Not bad. So I combined the two together. And this is what we have. Let's see if you can see that from the two bags. I'm doing something crazy. Hold on for a second. Okay. That's from the two bags together. I'm not mad at it. Okay. I'm tired. Okay, you guys, I'm going to let you go. Thank you so much for coming along with me. We are at 28 minutes. Oh, no, you got to go. I appreciate you coming along with me. This is a blessing because, remember, we had the flood about a month and a half ago, if it's been that long. And the water was 5 feet high. And these things were submerged for a long time, over a day, like 2 days. And then they stayed wet. So one of my bags was really, really bad off. A lot of the potatoes just didn't do well. So I'm going to curtail because I've got some more harvesting to do with some peppers before it gets cold. I will see you guys in the garden. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Let me know if you're still harvesting sweet potatoes too. I've got one more bag, but we're going to see. We're going to see. I love you guys, and don't forget, stay woke, stay vigilant, and I'll see you in the garden. Bye-bye.